All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, yesterday we were in the process of updating our contract to accept USD amounts. Today we're going to move forward with that so we can actually get our contract to reflect the new minimum USD variable. So this is where oracles and chain links come into play. Oracles and chain links will be very important for us as we move forward with building our smart contracts. They make up between 70 and 85% of all smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, before we implement oracles and chain links into our smart contract, we'll be looking at chain link price fees and Vyper. Chain link price fees are a way to get the price of ETH and USD from the outside world into our smart contract. Now, this is important because we need to know the price of ETH and USD in order to set the minimum USD variable to the correct amount. Now, let's get back to our problem. We want users to send us one whole ETH to fund our contract. Now, this is a little high for a cup of coffee, so we want to modify the contract to accept $5 USD instead of one ETH. So now we'll be checking if the user is sending at least $5 in USD. This brings us back to the question of how do we convert ETH to USD. We'll actually start the process of doing this by creating a new function under our withdraw function. The function will be called get ETH to USD price, and for now we'll use a pass keyword in this function. So let's scroll down so I can show you what that looks like. So you can see here, this is the function here. It's going to be internal. You have a get ETH to USD price. We're going to be using a pass keyword here, letting us know this is the function we're going to be using, but we're not ready to start writing it just yet. Now notice that we changed the assert statement to check if the message.value is greater than or equal to self.minimum USD. You can see here, assert message.value greater than or equal to self.minimum USD. Now also notice that we have added an underscore to the beginning of the function name. This is a convention in Vyper to indicate that the function is internal, which means that it can only be called from within a contract. So you can see here we have our underscore, get underscore ETH, underscore two, underscore USD, underscore price. Now, usually we don't write our functions like this, but we add an underscore right here. It's letting us know that this is explicitly an internal function. Now, we don't have to put this here and it can still be internal, but this is letting us know and everyone know that this is going to be strictly an internal function. It can only be called from inside the contract. Now, this is a good practice to follow because it makes it clear that the function is not meant to be called by the user. Now we can go to the Chainlink documentation for price fees and get the price of ETH and USD. Now we're going to save that for tomorrow, so we're going to just leave it there for now. But as we move forward, of course, I'll keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.